Swastiastu, Salam Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wayantiara, NPM 224-11023. I'm from Management Class 22E. In this video, I explain about capital structure analysis. Come on, watch the video until in the finish. Next, definition of capital structure. Capital structure is the balance or comparison between own capital and foreign capital used by a company to fund operational activities and business development. Capital structure can directly influence a company's financial position. In the capital structure, there are several components, namely long-term debt, preferred share, and common equity. A good capital structure can help a company develop its business more broadly and help the company manage and reduce financial risks. Next, distribution and capital structure policy. The definition of capital structure consists of two components, namely long-term debt and own capital, or preference share and ordinary shares. Capital structure policy is a company policy which aims to determine the source of funding for the company operational activities. Capital structure policy taken can differ in condition of majority, minority, disperse, or concentrate ownership. Three are several capital structure policies that companies can take, including: next, number 1, conservative capital structure policy. The company uses more of capital than long-term. This policy can help a company reduce financial risks, but I can limit the company's ability to grow in business. Number 2, aggressive capital structure policy. The company uses more long-term debt than its own capital. This policy can help the company develop its business more broadly, but it can increase the company financial risk. Number 3, moderate capital structure policy. The company uses balanced combination of the long debt and own capital. The policy can help companies develop their business and reduce financial risks in a balanced manner. Choosing the right capital structure policy can help companies optimize company value. How the choice of capital structure policy must consider factors such as financial risk, cost of capital, and expected profit. Next, capital structure ratio. The capital structure ratio is a ratio that measures the proportion of debt and equity used by a company to financial its operation. The following are several things that can be taken from the search result regarding capital structure ratios. Next, the capital structure ratio can be measured using the debt to equity ratio, which is comparison between total debt and total equity of the company. The higher the debt ratio, the greater the proportion of debt the company uses to finance its operation. Next, definition regarding capital structure are one of the important definitions that must be taken by company financial management. This definition is related to the composition of debt and equity used is company operation. Capital structure definition must be consistent with the company objective to maximize company value. Capital structure can affect profitability and company value. Too much debt can increase the company financial risk and reduce company value. However, the operating used debt can help companies create profit and increase company value. From the third result, it can be called the capital structure ratio. In a ratio that measures the proportion of debt and equity used by a company to financial its operation. Definition regarding capital structure are important definition that must be taken by company financial management because they can affect profitability and company value. Next, capital structure and company policy. Capital structure and company policy, they are integral constants in the world of financial. The following are several things that can be taken from the search result regarding capital structure and company policy. Next, capital structure is company policy in causing source of financial and provision for the amount of funding to meet the company's spending needs. Capital structure can affect profitability and company value. Too much the can increase the company financial risk and reduce company value. However, the profit uses of the debt can help companies get great profit and increase company value. Next, company policy in determining capital structure must be consistent with the company objective to maximize company value. Capital structure policy can vary depending on the condition of minority, disparate, or constraint ownership. Definition regarding capital structure must consider various aspects including the influence of ownership structure and corporate control on capital structure. Next, dividend policy and invest definition can also influence company profitability. Research show that dividend policy and invest definition influence company profit. Therefore, company policy in determining capital structure must consider dividend policy and investment definition taken. Next, capital structure theory. The following are several capital structure theory that can be taken from the search result. Next, traditional approach theory. This theory states that there is an optional capital structure that can influence company value. The capital structure can change in order to obtain optimal company value. Modigliani and Miller approach theory. This theory states that capital structure does not affect company value. This theory is divided into two, namely the theory with takes and the theory with takes. Next, trade-off theory. This theory states that a company in determining its capital structure will pay attention to the trade-off between the benefit of using debt in the form of a tax sale and reducing agency costs from shareholder, but it can use problem with background costs and agency costs. Next, pecking order theory. This theory states if companies will cost following a certain order, namely internal funding, debt, and equity. This is because companies that offer information estimate problem that can of when issuing new series. Next, information asymmetry and signaling theory. This theory states that capital development by using debt in the capital structure is a signal conveyed from manager to market manager user is the company prospect, but will increasing share and communicate to investor. Agency theory. This theory states that structures are created to reduce conflict between management and shareholder. Capital structure must consider the interests of shareholder and management. From the search result, it can be concluded that there are several capital structure theories that can be used by companies in determining the corporate capital structure. Each theory has different views regarding capital structure, so companies need to consider various aspects before determining the right capital structure. Next, company capital structure and source of funds. Capital structure and source of company fund are two interrelated concepts in the world of financial. The following are several things that can be taken from the search result regarding the company capital structure and source of fund. Next, capital structure is the balance or cooperation between retained capital and company ownership, with foregone capital in the form of short-term and long-term. Capital structure has a direct influence of company financial position. Good capital management can help companies develop their business. The correct capital structure can balance business depth and quality, so that it can help companies to manage and reduce financial risks. Next, the source of company fund and come from with the company, such as rental earning or from outside the company, such as trade credit, bank credit, or company hour. Capital structure designation relate to the choice of course from board with outside, which greatly influence the value of the company. Fulfilling funding net from creditor is bad for the company. Debt policy includes company funding policies that come from external source. Capital structure can affect a company's source of capital. Good capital structure can minimize capital cost and increase company value. However, too much debt can increase the company financial risk and reduce company value. Therefore, companies need to consider various factors such as dividend policy and investment destination before determining the appropriate capital structure. For this result can be concluded that capital structure and sort of company fund are two interrelated concepts. The world of financial capital structure can affect a company financial position and the cost of capital, so companies need consider various factors before determining the right capital structure. Sort of company fund can come from with outside the company, and capital structure destination are related to company selection of funding source that influence company value. Okay friend, maybe that's all I can explain about capital structure analysis, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Santi Santi Thank you for watching.